Premier Energy, one of the most popular IPOs which was recently listed. Now, if you did not get the allotment in the IPO, then not a problem, and you did not miss a huge profit like other IPOs that have given recently, which after getting listed went up 1x, 2x, 3x like that. Okay, so this did not happen with Premier Energies, and this is a good thing because most of the stocks that are listed after the IPO are actually overpriced. They can give a rally, quick rally, but then again they fall. So you can get quick returns out of it, like maybe 100%, 150% in short span of time, but you cannot hold it for investment in most of the cases. Why is that? Because they drop and they remain in downtrend or go sideways for a long time, so your profit gets eroded. So if you are a person who likes to take quick profit after the IPO is listed, then that is fine, but you should not mix long term investment with short term IPO listing gains. Okay, so Premier Energies is one company which I feel you should consider for long term investment. Okay, why is that? What does this company do? Everything I'm going to discuss in this video, and if we find the fundamentals of this stock promising, then we will go to the price action and decide where you should take an entry, right? So with that said, let's get started, but please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational video, right? Okay, so let's go to the screens. All right, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Premier Energies, and first of all we'll focus on this part. Incorporated in the year April 1995, Premier Energy Limited specializes in manufacturing integrated solar cells and solar panels. So it is into solar cell and solar panels, which is definitely a futuristic thing. Okay, we know that solar energy is going to provide a lot of energy resource that we need in coming days in the future. Okay, and definitely this stock is going to play a major role. Okay, and its product portfolio includes solar cell energy, solar modules, monofacial and bifacial modules, as well as EPC OEM solutions. Okay, this is one point. Okay, there are more details for the stock here. We will go directly to some of the important things that we need to know. In short, obviously I'll share the links in the description section. You can go through it and you will get to know a lot more about this stock. Okay, so first of all, the revenue. So majority is coming from domestic market, 99%, export is just 1%. Okay, that is one thing. Then we'll go to the order book, and again we'll come back to the clientele list. Okay, so order book as of July 2024 stands at a big 6,000 crore, almost 6,000 crore. So massive order book it has. So this is another good thing about this company. Now coming to the clientele list. So here you can see very popular names: NTPC, Tata Power, Solar Systems Limited, Panasonic. Then we have Shakti Pumps, First Energy. Then we have Luminous. Okay, and many other important names I can see here. So definitely this stock has a widespread, I would say, and definitely which is a good thing, right? So this was about the key highlights of this company. Now most important thing, the numbers. Okay, what does the number tell us? So the current listed price of the stock is 1127 with a market cap of 50,800 crores. So it's already a large cap. Okay, reserves 2,253 crores, debt 1257 crore. Debt to equity ratio is at 0.55, which is not excellent, but it's fine. Okay, it is much below 1. Sales growth in last 3 years average 64.87, very good number. Then 3 years average profit growth 118.58, 3 years average earning per share growth 114. So these numbers are looking massive, which is very good. Return on asset, return on equity, return on capital employed is looking good, but return on asset is on the lower side. Okay, but we can see a majorities of these power companies are in that categories. Okay, so let's just consider that this is one negative factor that we found about this company as of now. Okay, interest coverage ratio 3.38. If it would have been more than 5, then it's fine, but still it's kind of average. Current ratio is good, above 2. Okay, operating profit margin stands at 15.20, which is fine. Promoter holding 64.25, this is a good number. Altman Z score 17.35, very good number, and no pledging at all, which is another good factor about this company. Now coming to profit and loss statement, so here we are going to see something very promising. You see, if we consider last 3 years of data, then in March 2022 the sales was 743, okay, which went up to 1429 in the next year, and then it jumped to directly 3144, so more than double here, okay, 2x here, then here to here also 2x. So massive jump in sales we are getting to see. Operating profit 30 crores in 2022, 78 crores in 2023, and 478 crores in 2024. Massive jump here, and a majority of that is coming because of the increase in operating profit margin from 4% to 5%, and then 5% to 15%. So that's a very good thing, and I'm really impressed with this. Okay, the sales and operating profit of this company. Okay, now coming to shareholding pattern. So as I mentioned earlier, promoters are holding 64.25%, which is a good number. FI is 3.08 and DI is 6.71. So these numbers are actually looking very good. If I expand the DIs and FIs, I am not getting popular names here. Maybe it will be updated after few more weeks. Okay, now this was the fundamentals, and I would say that the fundamentals are actually looking very promising to me, especially the clientele list, the massive order book, the rate at which the sales growth and the operating profit growth has taken place, and the operating profit margin has also sharply jumped. Very impressive. Okay, now so as we are impressed with the fundamentals, now let's go to the price action and see when should we consider entering into this stock. So this is Premier Energies, and you can see it was listed on 3rd September 2024. So around 3 months. Okay, and after getting listed back to back, it saw big green candles here. Okay, let's measure how much percentage gain they gave. Okay, so it was 19.35, the next day 9, the next day 10. So very good jump, but after reaching this level of around 1266, it started falling, and you can see it started falling here. It tried to come closer, again fell. It tried to again come closer to the this level, resistance level, again fell, and then finally it gave a breakout here, but then after few more days it finally collapsed, and now it is trading here at 1127. So is this the best time to make an entry in the stock? Well, we'll find that one out by using some tools. First of all, I'm going to use the anchored VWAP. I'll put it in this place. Okay, so if I put it on the first candle itself, I can see that the stock is almost trading at the level where the anchored VWAP level is. Okay, here it passed through it, here it passed through it, here it passed through it, but from here it could give an U-turn and start going up from here, but that does not mean that as it is close to this level 1126, or you can say rounded up to 1100 level, this is 1095, this level is, we can round it up to 1100. So as the stock is closer to 1100, you should directly jump into the stock. No, that will be a big mistake, because we do not know if the stock will stay here, go up little bit, then again come down to this level, or even further down to this 800 level. We do not know, and you will be blocked, your money will be blocked. Never do that. Okay, so no matter if you are a long term investor or a value investor, whatever you call yourself, do not make this mistake. If you want to make an entry in any stock at a lower price, then still you have to do little bit, follow little bit of price action and make an entry, even if it gives a breakout in a shorter time frame. Okay, like 30 minutes or 1 hour. So I will show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is already marked, this 1095 level or 1100 level, I'm not marking again, and here is one resistance level here. Okay, and obviously we know that these are not levels, these are zones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one resistance zone instead of resistance level. Okay, why I am doing this, you will get to know. Okay, so let me remove this one. This is the all-time high level of this one. So let's say the stock is trading here at 1127 level. So what can you do if you are a long-term investor or a positional trader? So let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and here we have to wait for the crossover of 10 and 50 EMA. Okay, let me disable this anchored VWAP so it does not create too much confusion. Okay, and let me go back again to 1 hour, and let me draw one line here. Okay, so that we can get to know the okay, the level where it is taking support. See why I drew this line. See, this line was acting as resistance here once, and again it was acting here, again here. So it could turn into a support here. It could. Okay, it did not as of now, the time of recording. Okay, so again I'm going to the 1 hour time frame. So what we have to do, we have to wait for the stock to start showing strength here. A jump here like this, a jump here, and then if it goes up from here and it gives a crossover 50, okay, 10 and 50 EMA, then we can consider entering here at 1190 or 1200 level or at 1170 level. I'm rounding up somewhere. Okay, this is not an exact level. Okay, just an approximate value. So if you are a swing trader also, then also you should consider entering only after this thing happens. Why is that? See, because let's say the stock in a higher time frame like daily or weekly again comes to this place and again it fails. So in that way, if you make an entry at this 1170 level, okay, or 75 level, then you can exit around this level at 1350 level. So in that way you will get at least 15%. Okay, you will get a good swing trade. You will get a 15% return if it goes from 1175 to 1355. Okay, these are not exact numbers obviously, okay, approximate numbers. So you will get a at least good 15% return if you do that. So what I'm trying to say is you have to wait for the stock to show some strength around this 1100 level. Okay, then you can either use the crossover of 10 and 50 in 1 hour time frame or in 30 minutes. I'm in 30 minutes right now, so you can use 30 minutes as well, not a problem. It might pass through here, then again give a crossover here. Okay, by that time the price will swing like that, and here you can again, as I mentioned, 1170 to 1200 level, there you can consider entering even if you are a swing trader or a long term investor. That is the strategy you should follow. But as of now, do not jump in. Why? Because if I go to the weekly time frame, you can see how big this red candle is last week. Okay, let's measure how much percentage it has dropped. Almost 15%, 14.92. so that's a big drop. There is no chance that immediately it will directly jump from here. So do not make any mistake. Do not keep your money blocked in any favorite stock. I know this is a good company, these fundamentals are good, the future, this is a futuristic stock, but still that does not give you the right to block your money in a stock which is not ready for a takeoff. Okay, so keep your eye on the price action in the coming weeks. So that is the overall analysis of Premier Energies. I hope this quick video was informative and helpful. You found it valuable. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you'll find more stock analysis posts, and also you'll be able to get market updates on Nifty and other commodity market as well, gold, crude oil, everything. And also you'll be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord. And don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye. Take care.